we're back again. Today's a special one. Today I'll be doing kamut grain, as you know, with my twist. Ackee, saltfish? No saltfish. We don't do saltfish. And chicken, vegan chicken. Check out the ingredients. Okay, we have our white spelt flour here. We have coconut oil, basil, parsley, kamut grain. Kamut grain is a substitute for rice. It's got less starch, and this reduces the mucus buildup in the body. We have Himalayan sea salt, the pink one. We have gram masala, oregano, cayenne pepper. We have some turmeric, onion, spring onion, cherry tomatoes. We have thyme. We have some chestnut mushroom. We have oyster mushroom. This is what I'll be using as my chicken because the flavor, when you spice it up, it tastes like chicken. Really, you need to try it. Tastes like chicken. We have a variety of peppers here, red, green, yellow. We have some beans. We have celery, and we have some ackee. This is raw ackee. I have a friend who just got back from Jamaica and he got me some. So this is packed with fibers and it helps with your colon. We have our kamut boiling here. You just boil it to where it gets soft. Then you just drain the water off. So we have our vegetable here. So when the kamut's finished, you just add the vegetable. Add the kamut to the vegetable and just stir that up. So this has got all the spices and everything in there. Do it to your taste, as in add the spices how you would like it with all the ingredients I've just added. We got our ackee there. Because it's raw, you have to boil it. It's not straight from the tin, so you need to boil it. So that's boiling. So that's in there boiling. You cut up some more peppers and onions and spring onions, tomatoes. This is to go with the ackee. So that's to go with the ackee. Okay, this is dry batter. I prefer to use the dry batter. So we mix that with the cayenne pepper, the sea salt, and the gram masala, and some flour. And all we do, we just get it coated with the flour. Make sure it's nicely coated. Dust them off, and we go for another one. And we get them all coated. Yeah. Okay, so we're just sauteing our little veg we have. So all the peppers, the tomato, and I've just added a little bit of gram masala, cayenne pepper, a bit of salt, and coconut oil. And all we do is just saute that for a little bit. We put the ackee afterwards because it's really soft. If you stir it up too much, it just gets mushy very quick. So we just saute that for a couple minutes, and then we add our ackee. Okay, our kamut is ready. Okay, it's time to fry our chicken. Our chicken is ready. So you see, it's nicely marinated, ready to go. And we're using grapeseed oil to fry. So all we do, we're just ready to fry. Get them in there, get them nice and brown. Why we use grapeseed oil is because it's got a higher temperature when it comes to frying. So we use that. Okay, our chicken is ready. That's a finished article. When you finish them, that's all ready to go. Okay, so we just add our ackee. So like I said, you gotta be careful. Just gently, because they're very soft. Actually, you know what? Let me just put the seasoning in first. So we have a bit of thyme. Just sprinkle a bit of thyme. We have some basil. Sprinkle a bit of basil. We have some parsley. A bit of parsley. And we have our oregano. that. Then you just gently go around. Very delicate. Yep, this is it. All finished. Everything on the plate. Ready to go. Ready to eat. Look at them colors. It goes very well with avocado and our salad. You know my special salad. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll continue to bring out these lovely meals.